A big congratulations to Peller as he just lavished 100 million naira on a new brand car known as Lexus. Anyway, congratulations to Peller. This is now Peller's second car ever since he became popular through his TikTok streaming. My country people, in life, no matter when you start, no matter how you started, no matter how little you are the views you are getting, whether they are small or not, keep pushing. Peradventure, later you will get big fans. So many people were laughing at Peller when he started this. They were like saying that he is an uneducated person. He's this, he didn't go to school, that he cannot speak good English, this and that and this. The boy still use his own dialect and be doing his live streaming and getting more views. Do you understand it? He posted in his official Peller and AI Javis page. He said, I got myself a new bouncing baby car from this my boring personality. Congratulations to me. Another uneducated boy don't buy car again. Thank you all for everything in my life. I'm so happy to be in this position today. I remember this time last year, Les official Peller and AI Javis, and he used emoji of crying. Anyway, my country people, like I said earlier, no matter how small you are getting when you started, don't be discouraged. Keep pushing. One day, peradventure, one day you're gonna blow. Yes, even though if you're a YouTuber, you are getting small views, you're not getting much views. Peradventure, people are criticizing you that you are doing this, you are doing that. Some will say they don't like your voice. Some will say your news is not legit. Some will say that you don't know how to talk. So many things. Some will say that you don't know how to pronounce. Do you understand? Don't be discouraged no matter the criticism. There is nothing you do in this life that without people criticizing you. People must talk. Now them get their mouth. Do you understand? Congratulations to Peller. It is not easy in this hard economy. In this hard economy, for someone at his age to own two cars, buying a car of 100 million naira or more. This is the second car in just 1 year that Peller just acquired. So Peller is now worth over 400 million naira. Anyway, my country people, what do you guys have to say concerning this? Congratulations to Peller. Congratulations. According to Peller's mom, she reveals that the first thing Peller did when he made money was to buy a house. Before some of you will come and be criticizing, did he just car that he's buying? Did he have any other asset or a business? The mother also said that he bought a house and set up a small business for his mom. He also kept working hard. He didn't stop there. And today is the owner of a Lexus 350 RX. Peller might be young, but he is very smart. In case of some of you that keep bashing him that he's an uneducated person, that is not smart, he didn't know how to speak English. English now your language. Abi no be borrowed language. Wow. Omo, speak the one wey you know say people go hear you speak am. Instead of you to speak that English and make mistake, it's better you just pack your own language. Speak your own language. So that if people that couldn't hear what you're saying might look for someone else to interpret for them. Better that way than speaking for others to laugh at you. Anyway, my country people, the moral lesson in this thing is that take care of your parents. Some of us are succeeding because of their prayers. Yes. If you don't know it now. You are succeeding today is because of your parents' prayers. The seed they are sowing on your heads every day, weekly, monthly, makes you a successful person. That's what some of you don't know. Don't make money then start carry olosho. Some of you will just make money just for you to be enjoying, going to club, doing this and that, just running from one club to the other, just to enjoy life. Some of you will make money without even buying a single house. Some of you prefer going to hotels to sleep. Do you understand it? Some of you doesn't even have a home. You doesn't even have a single place to call a home. But you have money. You are riding car, this and that. Do you see what Peller's mother said that Peller first buy a house. Do you understand? A home where he will call this is my home. A mansion that this is my home. Yes. So you guys should learn from this. Congratulations, and not just that alone. Peller said that the front seat of the new Lexus acquired car is meant for Javis. We all know that Javis traveled to Ghana for her lump, I don't know if it's surgery or treatment, but now currently Javis is in Ghana for her medical treatments. We all know that she have a swollen face, you understand? So because of that, and according to her, that was what prompted her to quit AI stuff. Because in AI, you got to wear clothes, the way she used to dress for her AI. So because of that, she feel like it is expected of her to quit the AI business stuff, that's her niche. So for her to get properly healed because of the tumor she has on her cheek. Anyway, my country people, What is your opinion concerning this? Don't forget to write congratulations to Peller. If you know that you're one of Peller fans, one of the people that watches Peller live streaming on TikTok, don't forget to write congratulations to Peller. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that you get notified of all latest Nigerian news. Christy TV got you covered. I love you guys.
Javis, allow me to choose your seat. Can you see? You sit down here. Nobody happy to drag his and find the person. Ha! What back? No, stop. Come on. No, sit down, Jen. Make everybody no sit down. Close arm, let me close arm, I beg. Javis get this. Hey, Kaya, no. Wallahi, Javis no. Javis go sit down there. Oh, Nibinu brother. Jo, wallahi, go Nibinu. Don't want to joke. What's he sit down? I don't promise I say. Now the 4 person go for sit down with us. Oh, yeah, see left. Go see left. Go back.